What's the meaning of coulomb? Coulomb. Coulomb.
Coulomb. Coulomb. The coulomb is a unit of electric charge in the International System of Units, SI, named after French physicist Charles-Augustin de Coulomb. It is defined as the amount of charge transferred in 1 second by a steady current of 1 ampere. In simpler terms, it measures the quantity of electrical charge that passes through a point in an electrical circuit per unit time. The coulomb is used in many equations within the field of electromagnetism to describe the behavior of electrical charges and their interactions.